Are you facing the dreaded Hisense Roku TV black screen issue? Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hisense Roku TV black screen. Step 1. Check the power supply. The first thing to do when facing a black screen is to ensure that your TV is receiving power. If it's plugged into a power strip, you want to make sure the power strip is working. If it's plugged into a power strip, you want to go ahead and unplug it from a power strip and plug it directly into the wall. If your TV actually works with directing it to the wall, the power strip might be the issue. Step 2. Inspect HDMI connections. A loose or faulty HDMI connection can also lead to a black screen. Begin by checking that all the HDMI cables are firmly connected, and disconnect and then reconnect each cable to ensure a snug fit. If the black screen persists, try switching the HDMI ports or using a different HDMI cable. This can help determine whether the cable port or the HDMI might be the issue. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. A soft reset can help clear inventory software glitches. To do this, press and hold the power button on your Hisense Roku TV remote for about 20 seconds. This will force the TV to restart. If you're still seeing a black screen after the reset, try a factory reset as a last resort. Keep in mind that a factory reset will actually go ahead and reset all your data on your TV. Step 4. Test the backlight. A defective backlight can make your screen appear black even though the TV is actually on. To check this, turn on your TV, then take a flashlight and shine it very close to the screen. If you can see a very faint image, it's likely that it's a backlight problem. Step 5. Update or reinstall software. Software issues can sometimes lead to display problems. Ensure that your Hisense Roku TV is running to the latest firmware. Step 6. Contact customer support. If you've tried all the above steps and the issue persists, it might be time to reach out to a professional to help you for further assistance. Make sure that you check for your warranty options and also have your TV model ready so that you ensure a smooth customer support.